Welcome back. It's time for Mad Science Monday right here on Living Oklahoma.
Yeah, guys, our favorite mad scientists are rocking their white coats in a different way with today's experiment.
Yeah, let's head back to the lab to see what they're up to.
Yes, we are the dogs of science.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof. And, well, today we are making a homemade one of these.
Well, homemade stethoscope. Yeah.
You do? Okay.
Yeah.
So pretty much this is what the doctors take when to hear your heartbeat.
Hear your heartbeat.
And they always have to put it under your clothes. That way they can hear it without the muffling. And it's always extremely cold.
It's always cold. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
so
we're making homemade.
we're gonna make a homemade one. It's real simple. Okay. I've got a bottle. Any plastic bottle will work. Okay. I've got a 2-liter bottle, and I've got a piece of hose right here,
Then we got
and a funnel. You can use 2 funnels or 2 bottles, and some duct tape and a couple of balloons. Pair of scissors. That's it. Okay.
Got it.
So this is what we're going to do. I already poked a hole in the bottle to help me get started. So I'm going to cut this around here like this.
And using the bottle, since you have to cut it, you probably want a parent supervisor.
That's right. You want to make sure that you have mom or dad.
Parents.
Yeah, not the boys, okay?
Never mind.
Okay.
Parent or pet just sounds fluid.
Yes, it does. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is cut the end off of this balloon. And then what I want you to do, Miles, is stretch the balloon across that, okay? And then I'm going to cut the end off of this orange balloon. And we'll do the same thing across the end.
Across all of this?
Yeah, I'll show you. See, so you just kind of stretch it out like this, hook it on the edge, and then there you go, like that. See? When we do it,
Yours doesn't bend.
mine doesn't bend. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna reach in here. We're gonna pull this.
Here, guys.
We're gonna stretch it out. And we'll push this all around here like this,
Never mind.
and then pull it back out. See, it makes a little triangle there, but then I'm pulling it back out. So it's okay. It's okay. It'll work. Okay, now the thing is, it's making like a drum. Okay. Okay. Then I'm gonna put it in here, and I want to make sure that if we have any noise that goes through there, that the noise does not get lost outside. So I'm going to take this down just like this. There you go. Okay.
There we go.
There you go. Okay. You don't want that to touch the drum. There you go. Okay. So it's really simple to build. Now here's the thing. The way a stethoscope works is it traps the sound in this drum head, runs it through the tube, and then it concentrates it at the other end. So with this one, because that's leaning over like that, I would put this one up next to my ear, and I would put this one right next to my heart. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, right here like this. And I'll put it right here.
Now you do your heartbeat.
And I can hear it. I can actually hear it.
Oh.
Pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. So, homemade stethoscope.
Mine's
And you can actually, yours is better because it's pink. You can actually hear your own heartbeat making your own stethoscope. Now, the reason we use these in the first place is to find out how fast your heart is beating. Another way you can do that is to test your pulse right here or right here. And then you can check it out. But you can also check your breathing and other things. That's what doctors use them for. You're going to be able to make your own. How cool is that? Once again, Dogs of Science right here on Living Oklahoma. Can't wait to see you next time. If you don't see us here, make sure you join us on YouTube, Facebook, or on our webpage. Woof, woof.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof is right.
Woof woof. We'll be back on Friday with our Mad Science finale around 10:45 a.m.
Yeah, be sure to set your DVRs because you do not want to miss out on all the fun. You can even try these experiments at home with your family. You see how easy they are.
Yeah, what better time than spring break?
There we go.
Remember to visit okcmadscience.org for more educational resources.